morning all are welcome to our college Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic at the Department of Information Technology. On today's lecture start 17th lecture on course that is subject Applied Multimedia Techniques. Here vision mission of departmental vision statement to excel in information technology engineering education to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. In a departmental mission, three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Syllabus, total 5 units are there. Course outcome, after the completion of unit number 4, you achieve which CO? Fourth CO, that is develop 2D animation objects. Summary of previous lecture. In previous lecture, which points are conducted? Definition of 2D animation, after that difference between 2D and 3D animation, after that tools. So now continue the next points, that is stages of flash tool. The phase is the primary working area of flash and all of your compositional features are organized, that is film, videos, switches, animation and so on. Second point, content in the center of the cabinet can be seen when the flash film is produced. Next point, the gray black drops is off stage outside the center panel. You can animate materials on the primary face region from the outside or use a bigger black drop picture than the primary points as if the camera is swing over a backdrop. The stage has a number of contents that are shown at the top of the stage. It may display the contents that are in a scene or sub-content such as library objects. Next point, by disabling or on the pasteboard, you can demonstrate and hide the things exceeding your scale. Means what? Stages of flash tools means what? In which areas we create the object that are the said as the stages that are in that said that it may display the contents that are seen or sub-content such as library object. Next point, properties of flash tool. Okay. Properties of flash tools. Which are the properties are there? In order to change the toolbar, you choose or which item you have chosen on the panel, the property tab shifts. In this tab, every object and tool has its own properties that can be adjusted. Okay, means what? In that Adobe Flash under software, the one panel are there, that is the properties. In under of there, each object and tools, their properties are there, their own properties are there that use through you change your effects on that objects. Next point, the properties tab shows the properties of the document when you select the selection tool and click the stage background. You can specify the size, background, color, frame rate and setting of your flash file here. So in through properties you change that size, background colors or frame rate or their files settings, means what? That small, bigger or any other properties you can change using through properties panel. After that, timeline and frames. In the flash, as in Photoshop, we put all contents into layer. You use the Photoshop, same as the Photoshop, like the Adobe Flash softwares are there. The same tools exist for creating a new layer, removing a layer, and building layer folder. The main difference is that contents has to be placed on a timeline in a keyframes. Only for difference into Photoshop and in a Adobe Flash, there in Adobe Flash the timelines are there and that the keyframes are used. This through you create the object. Keyframes means what? Contents or text are timeline files that include the data. Means using through keyframes you can include the data on that stage. Next point, content favor keyframes are indicated by an empty circle. Content keyframes have a complete circle. Means what? When you only set the keyframe, that time indicate that as a empty circle. Okay, when you actually content will be drawing it or drag on that stage, that time that circle will be completed. To start incorporating contents when creating the fresh sheet, you always have a white keyframe in a framework 1. Okay, is when you open a new, means in your document or in your PowerPoint, any you use the Microsoft Office, that time when we create the new page will be open is a blank. Same in a Adobe Flash also, we create when you creating the new sheet, that time these are the blank stage are there. You can right click on the timeline for a particular section and pick the insert blank keyframe. Next point, to attach the material to that picture, click a white keyframe in the schedule. A keyframe only lasts for a frame. If your film is 30 frames per second, means 1 by 30 seconds. Means 1 by 30 per second that objects are moved. Next point, to extend a keyframe length, right click on the frame and select the insert frame. Further download the timeline. Means if you want to extend that keyframes length, means how many time that objects are visible, that time will be you adjust it. How will be possible? Using through insert the frame. The frames can also be selected, drawn, copied and pasted. Please be aware that you must select it first to perform any operations on frame. Means what? When you select the frame, firstly you select the keyframe, after that which operations are performed, that will be possible. Otherwise that object not created on that stage. Next point, onion skinning. It is a one type of effect on that object. Onion skinning in 2D computer graphics is techniques used in creating animated cartoons and editing movies to see several frames at once. This way the animator or editor can make decisions on how to create or change an image based on the previous image in the sequence. Means using through this you edit in a cartoon objects or any movies using through onion skinning. This way what is we obtain the output of the several frames are created at a time. These all are the panels or the present on that 2D animation software. That purpose which software are used? Adobe Flash. Many softwares are there for the use of 2D animation, but now we use the Adobe Flash. This is a free software there. Their trial versions are there that you want to this software, then that download it and install it for 30 days. Trial versions are there. Okay, summary on that today's lecture. Which points are conducted? Stages of Flash tools, after properties of Flash tools, timelines and frames, after that onion skinning. These all are the panels are present on that 2D animation is Adobe Flash. This using through you create the object in a Adobe Flash software. Homework: write in your notebook today's lecture points. Here stop on today's lecture. In these points any doubts arise, then contact with me. Thank you.